Hello friends, this is Ella from Ningbo Puxin Electronic Technology Company. Today I want to show you how to wire up internet plug. Here are the tools. This one is the RJ45 connector Cat 6 UTP, the type pass-through, and this one is the stripper to cut the jacket of network cable. This one is a creaming tool, and here the last one is network cable. We can see the information here. The informations here, UTP Cat 6. Normally, all the informations are on jackets so to let you to choose the network cable that you want. Now, let me start. First, cut the jacket of network cable. Now we can see the wires here in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 pairs. Normally we can arrange the wires follow the type T 568A or 5 or T56HB. Today, I will choose the T6HB. This one no need anymore, so I will cut it off. And as we all know, following the standard T56HB, the color will be white, orange. So first white, orange, then orange, and the white, gray, then blue, white, blue, gray, white, brown, and the last one brown. Now the color are on the right place. We insert the wires into the plug carefully. Then we use this tool to ensure all the wires, all the pins are set, and cut the extra wires. Use is tool 8P. Normally, I will make several ties to make sure all the pins are set. It's done. This is a successful internet plug.